Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start your next lecture of English Oxford. So open your English Oxford book at page number 42, Unit 8, Lesson 5, Reading the Sultan and the Wise Man. Students, read the story and answer these questions. What was the Sultan's question and did the wise man answer the question? The story is about a Sultan and a wise man. Sultan decided to have an argument with a wise man. The wise man knows everything, he thought. When I ask him a question, he always knows the answer. The Sultan thinks that he should answer a question that he cannot answer. The Sultan thought hard for a week. Then he called the wise man. He says to the wise man, I have looked for this information in my library, but I can't find it. My question is this: how many grains of sand are there in the whole world? The wise man thought silently for a minute, then he answered, Sultan, this information is not in your library. However, I can find the answer for you. I will count all the grains of sand in the world for you. The Sultan was amazed. The wise man continued, but first you must bring all the grains of sand in the world to one place near your palace. You must collect all the sand from the deserts and all the sand from the bottom of the oceans. When you have collected every grain of the sand, I will count them for you. Students, answer the question. What was the Sultan's question? What was the Sultan's question? The Sultan asked the question. Question is here. How many grains of sand are there in the whole world? Did the wise man answer the question? Yes, he did answer the question. Read the story again and answer this question. With whom did the Sultan want to argue? With the wise man. Here is the answer. Did the wise man usually know the answer to the Sultan's questions? Yes. Where in the world can you find grains of sand? Everywhere. Where can you find grains of sand in your town? Everywhere. Students, in exercise 4, complete the rhyme. Little drops of water and little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and our barren land. Grade 3, now open page number 44 of your English Oxford, Unit 9, Hansel and Gretel. Unit 9, Lesson 1, listen and speak, read the poster and the dialogue, then answer the question. Students, I am going to tell you what is a dialogue. A dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. Here the dialogue is going between Imran and Saira. Saira and Imran are the two characters of the dialogue. Students, the drama club will perform Hansel and Gretel on March 21st. Here is the date of the performance of the drama. Drama name is Hansel and Gretel, and the actors, they are in the need of actors. Please come to the gym on Monday 11th December at 4:30. Now we will read about the dialogue. Imran, have you seen this notice? Saira. Imran asked from Saira. Saira, you have seen the notice? Saira, no, what's about it? Imran, the drama club are preparing for a performance next term. Saira, what are they performing? Imran, they are doing Hansel and Gretel. You can be Gretel and I will be Hansel. Sara, what kind of a story is it? Is it funny? Imran, it's a story about some children and a wicked witch. She catches them, feeds them and then puts them in her oven. Parts of it are funny, I think. Saira, does it have a happy ending? Imran, I expect so. Saira, when's the meeting? Imran, next Monday after school. Saira, it sounds interesting. I'll go. I'll tell my friends too. Here are the answers and questions. Who saw the notice first, Saira or Imran? The answer is Imran. Who is performing Hansel and Gretel? The drama club. What is the date of the performance? March 21st. What is the date and time for the first meeting? Monday 11th December. What are the names of the boy and the girl in the play? Hansel and Gretel. Students, now open page 45, Unit 9, Lesson 2, words 11 to 31st. These are the words. Find the words for these number words. Write them in your notebook. 11th, 12th. Here are the words for these numbers. 13th, 15th, 18th and so on. You have to write it by yourself. In exercise 4, match the numbers. 101, 223, 479, 506, 732, 881, 999. Do the sums in your notebook. Write and say the answer. 200 plus 480 and 63. You have to write the numbers 70 plus 4, 101. Write the number and add them. 88 plus 900, 42 plus 600, 1 plus 761, 3 plus 103. Students, write these words in your notebooks and solve this. Students, next for the English B verb, here is the application for sick leave. Write on the notebook and learn it. The principal, Allied School, Muridke. Respected ma'am, it is stated with due respect that I am ill, so I cannot come to school today. Kindly grant me leave for today. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours obediently, XYZ. You can also write your name and class here.